Hello everyone, my name is Pedro Javier Guerrero. I'm a student Bachelor English as a foreign language. And today I want to show you some pictures and information about my town, my city, or maybe the place where I'm living right now. This place is called Soledad Atlántico. Soledad Atlántico is located in the Atlantic Department, whose capital is Barranquilla. This municipality has the ninth place in terms of the population in Colombia because have at least 500,000 of people approximately. In this slide we can see the Soledad flag and Soledad shield. Now, or maybe Soledad Atlántico was founded for the Captain Antonio Moreno Estupiñán in 1598. That's want to say that Soledad is older than Barranquilla. Now I want to talk to you about the typical food. The most famous food here in Soledad is the butifarra. Butifarra is like a special dish made with beef. Other typical food here is the arepa con huevo and the soup or sancocho. Talking about the weather here in Soledad, I can see that the weather is so hot almost all the year, but at the end and at first of each year, the weather is windy. The people here is so friendly, especially with the foreign people. Is optimistic people. Here we celebrate the Barranquilla Carnival. Also, we have a competition about the Beauty Kingdom. Here have born important artists in Colombia, for example, or maybe like Checo Acosta and his father Alce Acosta. Now I want to show you some pictures about the different places here in Soledad. In this picture we can see the main Soledad Church. In this part we can see the Soledad Town House. Here is the Ernesto Cortizo Airport. That is the same airport used for Barranquilla. And finally we have the Soledad Street. Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed my video and see you the next time. Goodbye.